email you can put in there. And Absa. Africa.
Can you say it again?
ED and Absa. Africa.
Out of the young kids.
Yeah, those are big shoes to fill. Because I'm still young myself, if we're being honest. Yeah, but so that means I made mistakes here and there. But what I like about Abantamang Tanda Yawuti, they love me for who I am. So I don't have to sit down and say, okay, what do I do now? I just become me, and they love me for.
All right. The moment everybody has been waiting for. I just want to feel like the pulse for you, I feel like